Namaskar. A very warm welcome to our students, parents, and all viewers. Today we have with us some very eminent people, very eminent doctors from AIIMS Bhubaneswar, and we are here to have a panel discussion on COVID appropriate behavior. Let me first introduce you to our honorable guests. We have with us Dr. Kishore Behera, Assistant Professor Endocrinology, AIIMS Bhubaneswar. Welcome, sir, to ODM. We have Dr. Prabhas Ranjan Tripathi, Faculty in Anatomy from AIIMS Bhubaneswar. Welcome, sir, to ODM. And we have Dr. Uttam Kumar Soren, Senior Resident Doctor, Department of Endocrinology, AIIMS Bhubaneswar. I extend a very warm welcome to all of you on behalf of the management of ODM.
Thank you.
And the present situation is such that we need to discuss a few things about COVID appropriate behavior, and with the government declaring that maybe probably the schools will open up by next month, so all our parents are very worried and would like to know a couple of things from you. So we'll go with the first question. So what is the relation between this diabetes and COVID, or what is it? Is it that the diabetes reduces the immunity power and which is why people are unable to recover from it?
Yes. Actually, if you see the diabetes, it has jeopardized, or the immunoresponse is really low in any kind of diabetes. So if you can see the mortality rate of normal population to that of the diabetic population are also having other comorbidities like hypertension, they are having chronic renal disease. So those people who are suffering from diabetes, and if they get infected, the chance of mortality, morbidity is definitely high. Not only the diabetes, but also if you are having obese, if you have any coronary artery disease or stroke or old patients, these are the prone population who are having a worst prognosis. Those are contact with the COVID infections.
So it is best that those who are suffering from diabetes or any of these, they should restrict themselves to their homes and not at all expose themselves to the outside.
Definitely. Absolutely.
Yeah, okay. And thank you from all of us here, from ODM and from AIIMS, and the watchword, that is stay alert, stay safe, and stay at home. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.